Hello, we are the Nature Boys, reporting from the marine biome.
This bio is located in the Pacific, Arctic, Atlantic, Indian, and Southern Ocean.
They're all over the world.
If you look around, you can see them in marine plants. Wait, what?
Marine plants and
if you look around, you can see marine plants, wildlife. If you look around, you can see marine plants, wildlife. It's a huge ecosystem.
If you could see here, here's the common food web of the marine life.
I'm gonna play some music.
You're gonna can you put the food web right here?
Yep, with some music. I'll cut out this audio, so just continue.
Action. It consists of producers such as seaweed, algae, kelp, seagrass, and plankton.
It also has primary consumers such as zooplankton, small fish, shrimp, shellfish, and
Crustaceans. Secondary consumers such as fish, coral, penguins, seals, and whales.
Tertiary consumers like sharks. Oh my god.
Jesus. Be gone, shark.
Killer whales and leopard seals.
Decomposers such as sea stars and more. The abionic factors of marine life is mud, water, salt, rocks, sand, wind, temp, and pressure.
Plants and animals have adapted over time in this biome. An example would be dolphins. Dolphins have adapted to their biome because they have a streamlined shape and fins instead of legs. Dolphins wouldn't be as dominant of a species if they didn't have these adaptations.
Algae has also adapted to their home. Algae, or just marine plants, are very different than plants on land. Algae has changed their structural appearance over time, and that helped them a lot to survive in the marine biome.
Recently, humans have been the biggest impact on marine life.
The limited sources.
Look at the camera.
The limited sources, because of humans like us, are sharks and other major territory consumers keep marine life from overpopulating. The limited resources are because of us humans. Sharks and other major territory consumers keep marine life from overpopulating.
But human waste I haven't read this yet. Okay, but human waste out into the ocean is killing animals in the ocean faster. That means they cannot reproduce.
It's so sad, isn't it?
I know, right?
Well, I guess we gotta end it here. Thank you for listening. Catch us next time on the Nature Boy.